Hey guys, sorry I couldn't be there today. Sent you an email. Hopefully you got it. Know why, but we'll be there tomorrow for sure. I'm going to put you a little short video here of exam. Hopefully you watched the video really well and you got a good handle on what's going on. It's called composition of functions. If not, here's one example like what you're going to do, and hopefully this will get you through your short assignment today. Work on as hard as you can. Do the best you can. We'll review it on Thursday. As always, we'll spend more time doing this on Thursday since I wasn't there. Okay, the way you read this right here. So they're going to give you three functions: f of x, g of x, h of x up here. And by the way, h of x, see that x -1? Don't forget that flips things. That's really this. If you want to write it that way, it might be even easier, but you're going to see some negative exponents like that. Okay, so the way you read this first part is you say f of g of x. And what we're going to do is we're going to take function g and plug it into f. I'm going to take that x squared and I'm putting it into the x in function f. So it's going to look like this. I'm replacing the x with an x squared, and that's all you do. Okay, that's all we're going to worry about right there. Okay, the second one, f of h of x. I'm going to do the same thing, except this time I'm putting function h into f where the x is. I'm putting it the same spot. So 4 times 2 over x minus 1. Now, you need to work it out as much as you can. If I do 4 times 2, that's 8 over x minus 1, and that's fine right there. Now, last one. They're going to give you, instead of doing g of h of x, they're saying g of h of 2. They're giving you a number. Two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both ways. You pick the way you like better. I know which one I do, but I'm not going to tell you that right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to plug function h into g. I'm putting this 2 over x into that x. So it's going to be 2 over x squared. And if I square that, I get, you remember, square the top and the bottom, 4 over x squared. Now, once you get that, I'm going to take that 2 and plug it in. So it's going to look like 4 over 2 squared. 2 squared is really 4, so you get 1. So on that type versus the other ones, the first two I did, I got x's in my answer. When they give you a number here, you're actually going to get a number out. Now, that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is this. Take the 2, let me change colors here. Take the 2, plug it into function h first. Okay, so if I come up here and plug 2 right there, I get 2 over 2, which is 1, which means the inside part is 1. And I'm going to take that 1 and plug it into g. Now, g is x squared, so it'd be like plugging in the x, in front of the x would be 1 squared, which is 1. Okay, so same answer, either way you go. I made a mess on that slide. I hope that makes sense. This stuff is not that hard. The symbols are a little different than you're used to. And again, it's called composition. The word's important. It's called composition. You're basically plugging one function into another one, replacing the x with the other function. I hope that made a little bit of sense there. That sentence kind of sounded weird. All right, and we'll worry about the domain and stuff on Thursday. But for today, let's just worry about figuring out the composition. Okay, and also the domain was on the videos. Hopefully you saw that too. So try the domain tomorrow because it was on your original video, and we'll work on it on Thursday. See you, bye.